The best 10 foods to clean out your liver. Garlic, oats, green tea, berries, olive oil, and garlic are just some of the foods and beverages that are beneficial to the liver. Foods that are high in fat, salt, and sugar, on the other hand, are more difficult for the liver to digest. Number 1. Coffee. A survey conducted in 2021 trusted source analyzed data collected from 494,585 individuals in the United Kingdom to gain an understanding of the potential impact that various forms of coffee, such as decaffeinated, instant, and ground coffee, may have on the risk of developing chronic liver disease. Although the authors believe that all varieties of coffee are associated with a reduced risk of chronic liver disease and the difficulties that come along with it, they found that ground coffee had the greatest impact among the varieties of decaffeinated coffee. According to their findings, the preventive impact may be caused by more than one active ingredient, and they advise that the optimal protective effect can be achieved by consuming 3 to 4 cups per day. One more study from the year 2021 coffee has been linked to a reduction in liver stiffness, according to trusted source. The use of coffee on a consistent and long-term basis may also have a protective effect on liver enzyme levels in individuals who have liver disease or who do not have liver disease, as well as in individuals who consume alcohol on a chronic basis. Number 2. Oats. Including oatmeal in one's diet is a simple approach to increasing one's intake of fiber. When it comes to digestion, fiber is an essential component, and the particular fibers that are found in oats may be particularly beneficial for the liver. Compounds known as beta-glucans are found in large concentrations in oats and oatmeal. It was shown in a study that was conducted in 2017 that beta-glucans had a high level of biological activity within the body. Moreover, they have the potential to reduce the risk of diabetes and obesity, in addition to helping to modulate the immune system and fight inflammation. In addition, the review mentions that beta-glucans derived from oats have the potential to lessen the amount of fat that is present in the livers of mice, which consequently has the potential to protect the liver. Nevertheless, additional clinical investigations are required to verify the efficacy of this benefit in human subjects. It is recommended that individuals who are interested in including oats or oatmeal into their diet seek whole oats or steel-cut oats rather than instant oatmeal. There is a possibility that instant oatmeal contains fillers like flour or sugars, which are not as helpful to the body as other types of oatmeal. Number 3. Green tea. A review of the studies for the year 2020, according to a study that is highlighted by trusted source, moderate consumption of green tea is associated with decreased levels of 2 enzymes, alanine aminotransferase, ALT, and aspartate aminotransferase, AST. Both enzymes might become more active as a result of liver damage. There is a possibility that green tea extract could, in extremely rare instances, induce a rise in these enzymes or severe liver injury. In these instances, we found that discontinuing the use of green tea extract often resulted in liver healing. A comprehensive analysis for the year 2020. It has been suggested by a reliable source that the effects of green tea may vary depending on the health status of the individual. Green tea may provide moderate benefits to individuals who suffer from non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, but it may also raise liver enzyme levels in individuals who do not have NAFLD. Number 4. Garlic. Randomized clinical research conducted in 2020 discovered that administering 800 milligrams mg of garlic powder to persons with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease for 15 weeks exhibited a substantial improvement in fat accumulation and comorbidity risk. A study of the population in 2019, it has been suggested by a reliable source of people in China that the eating of raw garlic may also lessen the risk of developing liver cancer. Garlic supplementation may also lower levels of AST, but it does not have any effect on levels of ALT, according to a systematic review that was published in 2020. With that being said, they emphasize the fact that additional research is required to validate this effect. Number 5. Berries. There are several dark berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, and cranberries, that contain powerful antioxidants known as polyphenols. These polyphenols have the potential to protect the liver against harm. Animals have been used in several research to study the impact that berries have on the liver. In a study conducted in 2023, for instance, it was found that the polyphenols found in blueberries and cranberries reduced the amount of liver damage that rats experienced. A research conducted in 2019 blueberries were found to minimize liver fibrosis in rats, which in turn decreased the pace of weight gain in the liver, as well as the activity of liver enzymes, according to a reliable source. A survey conducted in 2022, there is also evidence that blueberries may be useful in the management of age-related liver illness and malfunction in rats, according to a reliable source. It is required, however, to do additional research to evaluate the effect that berry polyphenols have on the liver in human samples. Sixth number is grapes. A survey conducted in 2022, according to a reliable source, a chemical found in grape skin and seeds can cure the symptoms of severe liver disorders in rats. These symptoms include inflammation, fat accumulation, and enlargement of the liver. One easy approach to incorporate these components into one's diet is to consume grapes that are either whole or seeded. An additional source of antioxidants could be a supplement containing grape seed extract. Number 7. A grapefruit. Both naringin and naringenin are recognized as the principal antioxidants found in grapefruit. Through the reduction of inflammation and the protection of liver cells, they may be able to support the liver in its defense against harm. Research conducted in 2019, according to a reliable source, naringin may reduce oxidative stress, which in turn may protect against alcohol-induced liver steatosis. Nevertheless, because grapefruit and some drugs can interact with one another, individuals should consult a medical professional before including grapefruit or grapefruit juice in their diet. Prickly pear is at number 8. The fruit and juice of the prickly pear may be also good for the health of the liver. Extraction of prickly pear has been shown to have positive benefits on the liver in animal experiments, according to an article published in 2022 by a trusted source. It is important, however, to do additional studies to identify the bioactive component that is responsible for these effects, as well as the dose that is most suitable and whether or not the effects applied to human models. Number 9. Foods derived from plants in general. A review for the year 2023, according to trusted source, plant-based diets are associated with a lower risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and liver fat content. Some of the plant foods that they consider to be healthy are bread made with whole grains, couscous made with whole wheat, and brown rice are examples of whole grains. Carrots, broccoli, and lettuce are among the veggies that are included. Nutcases, legumes, broad beans, peas, and green beans are all examples of legumes. If it is at all possible, people should incorporate these foods into their diets as part of a comprehensive and well-balanced plan. Number 10. Fish high in fat. It's possible that taking fish oil supplements and eating fatty fish could help decrease the damage. Sources of conditions such as NAFLD that can be relied upon. In addition, a population-based cohort research conducted in 2021 found that using fish oil supplements regularly was associated with a reduced chance of developing liver cancer. A high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, sometimes known as the good fats that help reduce inflammation, can be found in fatty fish. These lipids may be particularly beneficial to the liver since they appear to prevent the accumulation of excess fats and can maintain enzyme levels in the liver. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content.